Good morning mga kabaks! Today is Mother's Day. We will go to the zoo. Papakita ko sa inyo kung ano ang itsura ng Perth Zoo dito sa Perth. So, nasamahan nyo kami. Let's check it out later. See ya!
Today we're going to the zoo.
And here we are in Perth Zoo. Dahil Mother's Day, free ang entrance sa mga mamshies kaya medyo maraming tao ngayon. At the entrance, bubungad sa'yo ang zoo map so you don't get lost because this zoo is massive. Ayla, what do you want to see?
Tiger.
Huh?
Tiger.
Tiger? Okay, and what else?
Elephant.
Elephant, what else?
I find the Tyrannosaurus.
Chinese. And what else? Monkey, you want to see the monkey?
Yeah, monkey.
Okay.
A pig.
And a pig too? But the pig is in the farm.
That's it.
Maybe a wild pig.
That's it.
This zoo was made like a tropical rainforest. Kailangan ng maraming energy dahil malawak talaga ang iyong lalakarin. Sa sobrang lawak, minsan pagod ka na, hindi ka pa nakakakita ng hayop. Waiting here.
The elephant is not even here.
At this moment, we are now searching for the elephant. And finally, here it is. Kids are fascinated looking at this lovely creature. Now they are able to encounter in person what they normally see in textbooks. Now we're moving on to see the orangutans. And there they are. Their shelters are made of steel para daw matibay kasi normally kapag gawa sa puno o kahoy ay sinisira nila. Wow, you have a small hands. Look at the hands. It's massive.
That's abdominal veil. That is the na. So it usually comes out from under his tail.
Oh, yeah.
They are fun to watch because they normally move in slow motion na para lang nasa moon. Now let's take a look at this amazing animal. Say it. What's that? Huh?
Tortoise.
Tortoise?
It has a
What's his name? How do you say it? Tortoise?
It's a turtle. You want to see it?
Tortoise.
Tortoise.
So guys, according to research, this word is pronounced as totus. Now we're moving on to the African savanna, kung saan makikita natin ang iba't ibang hayop na matatagpuan sa Africa. Like the zebra, and giraffe. Meron din dito mga African wild dogs. We are also lucky to see a rhinoceros in person dahil ang mga hayop na ito ay extinct na. Now we're moving on to these lovely penguins.
This say it. Huh? What's that, Luca?
Ayan, tuwang-tuwa ang mga bata na nakikitang nagsiswimming ang mga penguins. Now, tignan naman natin ang iba't ibang klase ng reptile na nandito. Ang tawag dito guys ay shingleback lizard. Although they bite when threatened, they are not considered poisonous. Meron din ditong iba't ibang klase ng ahas na makamandag at hindi makamandag. And here's a replica of a monitor lizard. And this one is the real monitor lizard. Here at Australian wetlands, makikita mo ang iba't ibang klase ng ibon. Ito naman ang nag-iisang crocodile dito sa zoo. Ayan, nagre-relax siya at nag-aantay ng mangunguya. There are more to see but the kids are tired and we need to go. Magpahinga at kumain ng lunch here in Hurlingham Park. This park is located in South Perth. Maganda na, libre pa. Check it out mga kabaks!
Hi guys, today we're at Hurlingham Park.
Siyempre, mas masayang kumain sa ganitong kagandang lugar kapag kasama ang buong family. Ayan, kain muna tayo. Ganda ng view eh, oh. And there's also a playground here for the kids to enjoy and wander. And that's our adventure for today. If you haven't done so, please like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you again next time. Cheers! God bless everyone!